How to link Audiomack to Instagram. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how you can link your Audiomack to your Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out or download the Audiomack on Google Play Store or App Store, or you can use the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you need to go to your profile. Just click this icon at the top right corner, and under settings just scroll down until you see share profile. And after that, as you can see, if you click share profile, you will see apps that you can share your Audiomack link with. And you can choose Instagram if you want. And if I choose Instagram, it will redirect me to the Instagram app where I will need to store with this. So basically, if you share your Audiomack link as your story, all people will see your Audiomack link, all your followers like that. And yeah, and that's the way to share your Audiomack link to your Instagram. But if you want to link or bind the Audiomack to your Instagram, this is what you're going to do. Just go back to your Audiomack, click share profile again, and copy the link right here. Just copy your link, then go back to your Instagram profile, and right there in your profile, just click edit profile, and under that you will see links right here. Just click that and just click add external link. So now you just need to paste your Audiomack link on the URL, and you can also add title if you want. So I'm just going to add Audiomack follow me, and after that I'm going to click save and click save again right here. And as you can see on my profile, the Facebook profile and one other link will appear, and if you click that, as you can see, my Audiomack link is there. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can bind your Audiomack account on your Instagram. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.